everyone. Today I am preparing balut. No, I'm preparing salted egg. Guys, dito is meron siyang onion, whole pepper, and a lauder. And inside this glass is a egg, duck egg. So guys, gagawa tayo ng balot. Salted egg. Salted egg siya, guys. I need to marinate this for 45 days. Yan siya, guys. Ito is salt, whole pepper, onion, water, and a lauder. Kailangan talaga yung itlog ay lubog para sa gut. Lubog siya, guys. Pero bakit hindi siya lulubog? Lulubog, lilitaw. Ganyan siya. So guys, marinate ko yan ng kailangan siyang maglubog siya dyan. Kaya kailangan ko siyang ilubog ng ganyan. So, I need to put something else para lumubog siya, guys. Yan, salted egg.